This is pretty cool. You got the old hippie minivan, Volkswagen. Then look at this, a Porsche. It looks like a rally car. Or a rally SUV, I mean. What the heck? Yeah.
Very cool.
What are you up to? You here for? Bro, that shit's great, man. They're Lamborghinis.
Oh, Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That is sweet. Look at those cars.
And look, we've got a beautiful old Ferrari right here. Take a look at that. And look, Monterey is just full of different cars. Take a look at this old muscle car. Right over here, guys, hidden behind these transporting trucks. Look at the size of the thing. They're probably worth friggin' at least $1 mil. But right over here we have a beautiful Lamborghini. Look at the color of this. I believe this is the Diablo, and this, oh, it's actually kind of dirty right now, but this is going to be auctioned. Look at how beautiful that is. We've got a random Hummer right here, the old military H1. Look how sick that thing is. Take a look at this old a look at this.
RJ.
Talk about a rare
1639. Thank you very much. David. Block 17.
That's an old Maserati. Then we've got this beautiful green. Look at this clean Z8 Alpina. Extremely rare car. And look how nice that interior is. Even though this car is pretty old, it still looks absolutely phenomenal.